Hey, what happened to all our promises? What happened to our dreams? Baby, man, I remember everything is like a movie scene. I just wanna tell my babe, you know I'm really down to ride. But every time I'm down to ride, you always pick and choosing sides. And I don't wanna stand, is this what you really want? If you really want me to go, I'll walk out like a fawn. I just wanna tell you, baby, I ain't tryna fucking front. But I just wanna tell you, babe, you know that you my baby girl. You my baby girl, and baby, you know that I'm down to ride. I ain't give a fuck, like baby, told you I ain't changing sides. Told you that I'm down to ride, told you my true colors too. If you really wanna change, then baby, change up on your mood. And baby, if you wanna love me, then you love me too. If you wanna hate me, baby, go ahead and hate me too. Cause I won't even think about it. What happened to our hopes and dreams? What happened to our hopes and dreams? And now it's all a scene.
And every single day when I wake up, I'm looking in the mirror thinking that I need a break. Cause I'm so stressed, I'm depressed, I couldn't even wake up. I'm caught up in delusions, I can't seem to take a break. Cause everything is dead and gone. When I wake up it's a pawn. What's the meaning of this love if you can't be here when I'm strong? At least be here when I'm wrong, so I have something to hold. Cause at night it gets so cold, I can't believe that I'm alone. Yeah. What about hopes and dreams? I can't believe that it's fading away. What about hopes and dreams? I can't believe that we can't find it no more. What about hopes and dreams? What about hopes and dreams?